Hello everyone, this is an English video by a French person, so please be kind with my accent and my English. Thank you. So this is my first no waste project in English. My problem is when I'm traveling. It's always the same. My soaps don't fit in my traveling ugly blue plastic box. You see on the right my family soap, which is obviously too big, but it's the same with my square artisanal soap. So I have definitely to resolve this problem. I saw on YouTube few sewing tutorials to realize soap pouch using coated fabric on the inside. I decided to go with this idea. But I didn't resolve the size issue, and I didn't want to sew one pouch for each size of soap. So the best solution that appeared to me was the furoshiki solution. As you see, furoshiki is a Japanese way to wrap different type of things with fabric squares. The size of the furoshiki depends on the size of the object that you want to wrap. For this soap wrapping project, I made a first try with an 11 inches fabric square, but it was too small, so I changed for an 18 inches fabric square. I cutted the two 18 inches square, one in a beautiful red cotton printed with colorful flower, as you see, and another one in a red coated fabric. The sewing part is really easy. Place the two pieces together with right sides together and sew all around. Just leave a small opening. After that, turn the fabric on the right side. After that, I have a top stitched all around and the sewing part is over. Now it's time for the wrapping time. Thanks to the furoshiki tutorial pictures that I find on the internet, it was very easy to realize this wrapping. I think it's very cute. So I tested it on travel and I was very happy. It's very efficient. It's very easy to wrap and unwrap. So it's very good sewing stuff. I love it. And I had another thought about it. I like to offer artisanal soap, so I think it's a good idea to wrap a gift to offer, and I think I will do that the next time.